Welcome back to a new video, and for today I'll be sharing with you the 8 best tools to start a faceless YouTube channel without paying a dime. These are the bare minimum things you need when you want to start a YouTube channel, and you're not using just one of these tools, because if you just use only one, it would increase the difficulty of creating your videos in the long run. So without wasting any more of our time, let's begin with the video. First on our list, we have Copy.ai. Copy.ai is one of the best AI tools out there that you can ask for to create short form content. Copy.ai offers a user-friendly design, templates that make it simple to think of what to write, and it's also straightforward to use, so you won't have any problem when you just get started with it. Additionally, it offers several distinct characteristics that has benefits to writers, and it has the ability to switch from passive to active voice in tones. But specifically for YouTube, there are particular tools I use in Copy.ai, and the tools are the YouTube video title generator and the hashtag generator, and sometimes I use the description intro. You can find these tools under the social media tools. All you have to do first is to create a new project and then choose the tool you want to use first, and if it's a title generator, you can just briefly give it a simple description of what you want to talk about. And if you don't have any idea, just go and search on YouTube and pick out the title with the highest views, and I've showed how to do that. Just go to the filter and filter for view counts. So just easily paste that in Copy.ai, and then it will give you different variations of that title that you've put in. So it won't just give you the exact same thing, to give you different variations that you can use, and you can tweak it however you want. So in YouTube, tweaking is a very important part in the overall process, because you definitely need 3 different thumbnails or titles that you can replace whenever the one you're using isn't working. But if you want to skip this tool, just know that coming up with different titles before the start of your videos would make the video creation process even harder. So if you also want to use the description intro and the hashtag generator, they are all free to use, so don't hold back. And now let's move on to our next tool. Next on our list, we have Canva. According to big YouTube channels like Filmbot and vidIQ, they stress that it's very important to create your thumbnail before starting your video. So before you even click on record, you should have created your thumbnail, because that's the first part every viewer is going to see. So because this really helps you create a very good thumbnail with a clear mind, and so you won't have to start designing your thumbnail after the whole ordeal of making a video. So this just makes the whole process a bit easier for you. Now with Canva, you can create clickable thumbnails for your videos all for free. Canva has a large library of templates that you can use quickly to tweak to your specifications, or if you want to start with a blank page, you can do that too. And if you check out my previous videos, I speak highly of Canva more than any other graphic design tools for beginners. If you want to learn how to use Canva to create thumbnails for your YouTube videos, it will be linked in the description section below for those who are interested. So without any more to say about Canva, give Canva a try, and now let's move on to the next tool. Now, next we have Writesonic or Google Docs. Now, why I say Writesonic or Google Docs, because Writesonic is an AI tool and Google Docs is more like the manual approach to creating your script. But let's first look on Writesonic. Writesonic is an AI-powered writing tool with a goal of enabling anyone to write anything and share it anywhere. It has tools that makes it easier to create, modify, and publish blog content, adverts, landing page, product descriptions for e-commerce sites, posts on social media, and many other types of contents. Having Writesonic as one of your arsenals is just like having a freelance writer available to you all the time. Writesonic just needs a few keywords, a brief description, or a few sentences to start producing a range of computer-generated results for you. Writesonic is a free AI tool that allows you to generate copies instantly without any hassle. Since Writesonic is one of the best AI writers for long-form content, then it will be really great for creating your own YouTube scripts. So as you can see, I can just create an example right now on generating a script with Writesonic. It's not going to be much, because this is just going to show you an example. So I just wrote something very short, and as you can see, it's all done. You can choose to tweak it or not, but it's all up to you. So, and for second option, we have Google Docs. Because if you want to have the ability to write and edit your content offline, this will take more time, obviously, because you're writing everything word for word. But they both have their strong points and weak points, so you can use either of them according to your liking. Now on to the next tool. And next we have Audacity. Now there isn't much to say on Audacity because unlike other tools I've talked about, you can easily download Audacity on your PC. Audacity is one of the best and easiest audio editors for beginners. It's free to use and can be used without internet connection. So its ease of use is one of the reasons why I got attached to this audio editor. So with Audacity, audio recording and editing made easy for you, you can use it wherever and whenever. As you can see here, it's very easy to use. The record button, the stop button, and the cut. So everything is there for you to use at your own disposal. So as you can see here, they offer a lot of effects that you can use on your audio to make it better however you want. So Audacity is my go-to software for recording and editing my scripts, all for free. So that's all I have to say about Audacity. And if you want to see a full tutorial on how to use Audacity, then leave your answer in the comment section below and I'll be sure to make that. Next, we have OBS Studios. OBS, often referred to as OBS Studio, is a live streaming tool that is free and open source. It offers real-time source capture and device capture. This means that OBS records your audio and video from your microphone, your camera, and your screen. The video is encoded by OBS, which enables you to record or even broadcast the finished version on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook. With OBS, you can record audio and video from your camera and microphone, as well as game footage or the screen like the way I'm using it right now. OBS is an open source broadcasting and recording software that is among the best and the most capable available, because it offers moving transitions, closed captions, and more plugins for numerous customization options and adaptations. So it provides that, and they are all offered for free. OBS is compatible with a wide range of different live streaming services, and you can easily start streaming by simply entering their stream key for their streaming services. OBS for me simply is just the best for screen recording, and that's what I basically use it for right now, and that's why I use it. So if you've been enjoying the video so far, drop it a simple like would do. And every tool I'll be talking about on this video will be linked in the description section below. Now let's continue. Next we have Shotcut. Shotcut is a cross-platform video editor that is free and open source. You can use it to both make and edit your own videos. So you can also use it on existing videos too. With Shotcut, no specialized expertise is needed to utilize their software, which is very simple to use. And it's a fantastic software for both novices and veteran video editors. Non-linear video editors like Shotcut are used by those who wish to do more with their videos than merely cut and edit, and unfortunately that's what I use it for right now. So if you're looking to do more with Shotcut, it's very possible. Shotcut is also a multi-format video editor that works with varieties of video file types. Shotcut has the ability to cut and edit videos, as well as add special effects, transitions, and audios, and also picture files. Windows, Linux, and OS users can download Shotcut as a 32-bit or 64-bit program. Additionally, Shotcut features a modular architecture that enables you to install a portion of the software that you really need. Being open source, Shotcut video editor is updated in response to user actual requirements. Shotcut is among the top video editing programs despite being free and independently owned. Another significant benefit is that it uses little power from your CPU and your computer and makes it run on even older PCs. Shotcut is my go-to software for editing my videos, and it can also be used as an offline video editor, and that's one of the reasons why I use this program. So give Shotcut a try, and now let's move on to the final tool. Finally, we have vidIQ. vidIQ is a tool that helps you to improve, develop, and manage your YouTube channels. Some of the top brands and creators in the world utilizes and endorses vidIQ. vidIQ uses YouTube API and it's also certified by YouTube. So it won't put you ahead of your competition, but it will give you an advantage and save time and also help you to decide on what content to produce. vidIQ has a very important tool that I really love, and that is the view per hour, because it actually reviews how effective the video is performing right now. Particularly if the video was uploaded days or years ago, this offers you an indication of whether or not the video is just a trend or an evergreen content that is still relevant and being searched for. Using such data, you can make better and more original videos and anticipate receiving views that are comparable to or more than theirs. Although it's not always the case, because there are more criteria to ranking on YouTube. I love the VPH tool because you never run out of video content ideas to work on your niche. It has other tools like the keyword research tool and the competitor tool that really helps you with your growth on YouTube. And for the keyword tool especially, there's a method I've come up with to fine-tune and perfect my title for my videos. So if you want to see something like that, so stick around and the video will be released soon. Now that we've come to the end of this video, please do give me your opinion on these tools and tell me the tools that you use for your own video creation process in the comment section below. Like this video if you got value from it, and also subscribe for more contents like this if you want to. And if you choose to, please do hit that notification bell to always get updates on my new videos. I have a video here on free AI YouTube tools that you should be using as a beginner YouTuber. So watch this right now and have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.